Debt can feel heavy, like a weight that follows you everywhere. But debt is not a life sentence. It's a situation, and situations can change. The first step to reducing debt isn't money, it's clarity. You can't fix what you don't face. List all your debts. Write down the balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Clarity turns fear into strategy. Track where your money goes. Cut unnecessary expenses. Even small changes add up. You can use the Snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first for momentum. Or the Avalanche method. Focus on the highest interest rate to save money. Reducing debt isn't only about cutting. Sometimes it's about earning more. Freelancing, selling unused items, learning new skills. Even a small emergency fund prevents new debt from replacing old debt. Reducing debt takes time, but every payment is progress. Every decision is power. Financial freedom isn't instant, it's intentional. Debt does not define you. Your discipline does. Your future begins with one small decision today.